XRP family, how you doing? We're going to talk about what is going to be happening with XRP, an XRP price prediction, where we could see XRP dramatically bounce from where it's currently trading at. And we can take a look right now. As of the recording of the video, XRP is down about 4% below that sub $3. It is right now, again, as of the recording, bouncing between that $2.95 and $3 range. And you can see on the 24-hour, we have, again, wicked down to that 295 range, and now we're at that $3 again as of the recording of the video. So for an XRP price prediction, I want to talk about what we're seeing kind of play out. I'm going to share with you here in just a minute. We've seen XRP kind of bounce down, and a lot of the technical analysis underpinning data points are actually coming in line. It looks like this could be our bottom for XRP in this 295 range as we continue to see it now bounce off of that and go up. And a little bit of this is relative to what's going on with Bitcoin as well. So let's dive into this XRP prediction, XRP price prediction, and take a look at it. Before I let you do that, or we see that, links in the description below. Go sign up for my free newsletter. It helps you generate crypto profits, wealth, all that for stocks and crypto. It's right down there. Check it, get into it. I promise I won't spam you. It's just a couple of emails a week with tips and tricks and how you can make even more money in crypto and stocks. Okay. So, look, let's talk about this. This is from Cassie Trades, and she's over on X, and I love her, what she does. She's very, very good, very technical, and I'm really a fan of what I'm seeing here. So she's talking about the fact that we've reached that 296 support. Remember, we saw XRP bounce down. You can see it even right here where this circle is right there. Let me move that. Chart right there over where you can see it. We're talking about this little dip right here, right? Okay. So Cassie's talking about that. We bounced down to 296. And then if you want to pause and read here, kind of pause the video if you want to read everything that Cassie's written, please do so. Okay. I want to keep this video very short, very to the point for this XRP price prediction video to kind of keep you moving so you can get on with your day. Okay. She's basically talking about how, as we saw XRP dip, it dipped down and it wicked down and dipped down perfectly. This is exactly the kind of behavior we want to see at a market bottom for XRP. Okay. She's talking about then on the RSI, we've got bullish divergence, 15-minute and 1-hour RSI, and the wave down printed a clean 5 wave. Again, bold. This adds to the idea that this was the bottom the market was hunting for XRP. Okay. So from an XRP price prediction, she's basically saying, hey, look, looks like this is the bottom, right? And outside of some major thing out there that's negative, that I always like to, because I'm a glass half full guy, but there are bigger things out there. What's Jay Powell going to say in his Jackson Hole speech? What's going to come out of President Trump and the Putin, Alaska summit, et cetera, right? Are we going to see Zelensky with the Ukraine stuff? We're going to see some resolution there, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. Tariffs. These are all bigger factors that could impact us. But regardless, we're looking at this kind of, again, I'm giving you guys some numbers so that you know what's playing out here. Okay. So XRP may linger here for a little bit, she's saying. Again, I agree. And then now she moves on and she's talking about the fact of analyzing XRP versus Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, again, Bitcoin is 59% of the entire crypto market capitalization is Bitcoin. Where it goes, the rest shall follow. So she talks about the fact that Bitcoin, she sees it bouncing down to 112, and that's the bottom for Bitcoin. And she doesn't think that it's going to drag XRP down much more. It'll drag some of the other altcoins, probably like Ethereum, some of the other major altcoins like Cardano, so forth. Okay. But Cassie's saying, hey, look, I think this is the bottom for XRP. And then she says, I'm expecting XRP and other large caps to push to a new high, targeting XRP to $4.80. Yeah. Okay. In the near future here. Okay. So there's your XRP price prediction per some very strong technical analysis, chart analysis from Cassie Trades over on X. Love what she does. Okay. So I'm definitely thinking that we've got some good stuff coming. Got a little bit of volatility in the short term, I think, as we see Bitcoin bounce down, as we see things kind of play out right now. But again, I think we're looking good, and I think we'll bounce off this and head back. Okay. So that's what we got for you. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Links are in the description below if you want to check out some stuff. Check out my trading indicator if you want. It can help you know when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos or stocks. Helps you make more money. and it's literally about $1.15 a day. There's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So give that a look if you're interested in that. And as always, I will see you later. Thanks for giving me a few minutes while we talked about this XRP price prediction. Later. See you.